What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we got a 2019 Dodge Ram. I just got done installing a Compustar 4905S remote start, and I'm going to show you how to pair these remotes up real quick. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. This is the type of things we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. If you're into that, please consider subscribing. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this. We have two remotes that we want to pair, and first thing we want to do is put the truck in pairing mode. We do that by going to the on position and the off position 5 times, and we want to actually, on the 5th time, we want to stay in the on position. So before we actually put our remote start into remote pairing mode, I want you guys to know exactly what you're going to be looking for. So how this works is every time we press lock on a remote, it's going to give us a flash or a click and let us know that it received that signal. And then once we get done with that, we just wait, and it'll give us 2 flashes to let us know that we are out of pairing mode. So if you only have one remote, once you go into pairing mode, press lock once. It's going to give you that 1 flash, and then you just wait, and then it'll give you 2 flashes, and then that's how you know that that one is paired. Since we have 2 remotes, we're going to press lock once. It's going to flash. Once after that one gets done flashing, we immediately press lock on the other remote. It's going to give us another flash, and then we're going to wait, and then it's going to give us 2 flashes, letting us know that we have exited pairing mode. So if you have 5 remotes, you can do lock, flash, lock, flash, lock, flash for however many remotes that you have. And then once you get done, you just wait, and then you exit, and then that's that. So let's go ahead and get to it. So let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we see our parking lights have flashed twice. That lets us know that we are in mode. Now that we want to press the lock button on our one remote, and then we want to press the lock button on our other remote. Our parking lights have flashed once already. And now we take this out, step outside, and we'll check and make sure that everything works properly with our remotes. All right, so let's press our lock button. Press our unlock button. Now let's hold for our remote start. We're gonna hold it again. Actually, we're gonna use the other remote to turn it off, and you turn it off by holding it same way. All right. We're also gonna hit lock again and hit unlock. All right, there you have it. So we have both remotes paired up. I hope you guys found some type of value in this video. If you have, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. If you want to be a further supporter, we do have that Patreon link at the bottom in the description, so you can get some behind the scenes footage, wire diagrams. You can DM me, all that type of stuff. Also, you get a chance to actually win some free car audio content. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out.